Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity React, and I want to say happy Xmas to you guys, and also happy New Year in advance to you guys. We're coming into another year, and this coming year 2025 will be a very big blessing to every one of you, my subscribers and my viewers. Do as much as possible to like and share, comment and subscribe if you've not. Alright guys, let's dive into today's baddest comedy. Let's go.
And just from Barbados, make we do yeah, I got you. La do me do body.
Babe, please calm down. It's not what you think, babe. Please, let me explain.
Don't worry.
Jesus.
Hello, Oga, I think you should cook. Your house don't vanish, oh. My house. Yes, oh. Yes. Now empty land and they see with block, oh.
Yes. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
For your face.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Hello, sir. I don't know what is going on. All of a sudden, your store just empty.
My store.
Baby, calm down, calm down.
Pew. Hello, Oga, your house don't come back, oh.
Hey!
You even come back with food stuff.
A devil now you be.
Baby, what down?
Pew!
Babe, I'm doing this for your own good. I love you so much, and I can't.
Jesus. Baby, Jesus.
Please, let's make this forever. Oh, this one too small.
Yeah!
Use this one. I bet lock Lamborghini join up.
For waiting, God forbid. Waiting. What to be yourself?
May they not open them.
This one has learned his lesson. This is a lifetime lesson that he has just learned because that is kind benefit.
Shakabula! Great! Great! Shakabula!
Great!
Yes, new convert. Just up! Come on, just up! Come. Yeah! Hey! Aboy! What's it carry you can't join Great Shakabula?
No man, I've got protection. They could beat it my street. And they say I don't get anybody who come out for me. So I can't join, so now they come out for me anytime they want to beat me.
Great Shakabula! Great! Baba, as you don't join the Great Shakabula, protection na your name. No man born for woman feel lay hands on you. Even when you shine, the sun will step aside.
As a man.
You dey hear me, oh? Why you join us?
Chairman, I joined because of revenge mission. The guy from my side, the guy they oppress me too much. If I tell you how many phone that guy don't collect from my hand, you don't go believe him. You go collect my phone, you go collect my money, sometimes you go collect my clothes. As I join, I want to deal with that guy where.
Who goes that man? Great Shakabula! Great! Shakabulas, we are kings and queens. We are conquerors of the day and the night. Once we mount, the entire world they feel as if Shakabula don't come. You dey hear me? You see that guy? We will go deal with him. But before we bring you on board fully, you go gas know those that were there before you and those that will be there after you. I will never forget my guy, Viper the Wiper. He is the one before me. One poser for Viper. Poser! I won't forget my guy, the green snake in the green grass. The man with all the tools and merchandise. One big shout out to our Macha. One poser for him. Poser! I won't forget our father, the founding father of the Great Shakabula. The man in charge of the Great Shakabula. The pillars of the Great Shakabula. Salama for the Great. I won't forget him. He's our leader, the wicked bye. Yeah.
Come on, just. Come on, duff yourself. You didn't want me. You just. No, why be? For this town. Come on.
You don't cast me.
Come on.
I think this
Come on, you don't get anything. No RBS for pocket.
Hey!
I'm going to come here, Jonah. You want to talk? You did Jones.
But this thing is not good though. I'll call police on you one day. I'll call police on you.
You call police on me. I rock back. You will call police on me for this town. Can't take phone. Can't take phone. Call him now. Call police. They Jones.
This name seems familiar.
Now when you start in con anger, you want yourself.
Boy, just up. Mo go see that person who they collect your kappa. Mo they go.
No, bros, no worry.
I war spit for your face.
No worry.
You the guy machine no man they play.
No.
The guy won't be superstar.
I feel come on for this court.
No, you don't join me, so you don't join.
Great Shakabula.
Great.
Mogo na hands for Rumokoro.
Why?
He don't set, and the guy has already known what he has gotten himself into. Hey, this one is from Mozkoh, and Mozkoh is the
Mozkoh! Mommy! If you like say this our neighbor children, they don't begin smoking go again.
They know they let us rest though.
Why those boys bad like this?
Bele don't tear.
Bele don't tear.
Try go the smoking bro.
Linda!
Mozkoh! Now my name they call me.
Jesus.
Mommy, I know that's a mistake. What if we go chop now, mommy? Now Christmas period be this so.
You bring money for Christmas food. Mozkoh! Person they not go open door, go check the person with them. I don't even know what they do for the outside.
Merry Christmas.
And some guys are armed.
My mama said the food sweet.
The food sweet. Food we never chop.
Thank you, ma.
This is crazy from Mozkoh. You have not even tested it.
Where you see rice?
Now mama Chinedu now she give us though.
Mama Chinedu? Mama Chinedu when I say now winch.
Who does say she be winch?
Now so everybody they talk say now winch now.
Why did they lie for that innocent to my head? That man won't get good heart, now they call winch.
See Mozkoh, we no go fit chop this rice.
We go chop this food though. See Anna. I don't winch. I fly. Mommy, I better make her chop this winch. I promise I not going to use the winch to do bad thing, I beg.
Hey, Mozkoh now run rice they chop.
You even happy.
Jesus!
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Mommy, that woman and winch.
At this point, I have no clue of what
It's not the witch, you are the witch. You have smoked the hell out of it.
All I want for Christmas is the pink iPhone 16 36 inches
Oh
bunch.
my god, let's look at you.
All I want for
Degeneral.
Christmas is in here.
Only Mozkoh alone.
See you.
Yeah, hello? Your boyfriend has been arrested for fraud.
What?
Now fake life I live, I make I tell no now.
Good afternoon. Babe, how God, you're going to get through this okay? I want you to take care of yourself. I bought you Christmas gift.
You?
Baby, you're going to get through this okay?
You know, so if I leave and I kiss that hand. Come on, say back. How many minutes did I give you like kissing hand?
Baby, see, I need you to be strong. This is not the first. Nobody go first run now.
You?
Not the first. I need you to be stressed. See, I brought you some cash.
Are you sure this is not? Well, let's be watching.
I'll check on you soon. I'll come check on you soon. Okay, I love you, baby.
On 1 December no lubego. On 1 December no lubego. On 1 December no lu my brother. On Wednesday man only.
DJ. Christmas on shop all.
You do me like this.
Is that not you know? What is wrong?
All this one for you. That's nice. Let me say that after Christmas, you come out.
Christmas care. What? I know they come here until after February 14th.
The general is something that's like, he's a very poor man. Thinking that he's a rich guy to those girls. Those girls think that they have catch a bit.
My girlfriend is here now. They make you feel my brother.
I just took a picture of it and I mistakenly posted it on my story.
Jesus.
My boyfriend has seen it.
Blood of Jesus.
Voila.
Hey! How can you post something like this now?
He's taking me. He's typing. What am I supposed to say?
That's your remote.
See this babe, no, they reply me.
He will be back anytime soon. You can't leave. Just go.
Yes. If he comes, what will you tell him?
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Okay, you know what? I have an idea.
Where is he?
Babe, calm down.
I saw what you posted on your story. Where is he?
Babe, I took the picture myself. It was a prank. I just wanted to get your reaction.
How?
Look at what you have turned yourself into.
Watch this.
What's going on here?
So I put my camera on timer.
Are you serious?
Are you sure?
Jesus.
That's it. Oh yeah, come and compare it with the one you have on your phone and see if it's not the same thing. Babe, you're really coming. Wait, you're doubting me.
You want to give me high blood pressure?
I was just pranking you and I missed your message.
Please, take it easy.
Peller.
Take this one first.
Eh?
Where did you even see trousers?
Baby, if I want to do prank, what type of costume?
Don't criticize me. See shoe, bring shoe too. Makes sense.
I don't know you are gone.
Let's go inside.
You are going to live with ordinary cola.
Now why will they call am goat?
You are not any goat.
Did they always turn up?
You are not any goat, my guy. Because they have seized your shoe and trousers and you're going to go home. But This guy. Where is he going? Come and play your game and you are behaving as if you see bread and beans. This is not bread and beans, so. Let me
Blood of
see
Jesus.
Hey! Wow! It's not complete yet. Not yet complete. It's not even care about the money is set. It's not even about the money is set. It's just about the beans and bread. Very important.
I said take them in.
Just because of it, bro, you have already shot somebody on the leg.
Come here. What did I do? Sir? Who tells them I shoot that guy?
They did not. Shine one.
Them they not. You know say you ordinary catch Abi. Come when we give you, make you carry down guard. Make these boys not buy you. You carry and go to shoot person. What impression are you trying to create? How many bullets I give you?
2.
How many don't shoot?
1.
What if we enter for road now? Those boys attack us in group. Now 1 bullet you go carry down guard.
So for this bank where you they come, we they smoke together. Now you go to the club, come to arrest me. You see this bank where you carry for head. If you not chop your head for this time, make I buy.
Hey, good at it.
Jesus.
Hey, good at it.
Give me that gun.
Sir?
Give me the gun. Remember that cat where you be. Driver, move this car.
Hello, sir. It's for own good. For own better mess, sir. It is small. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Where are you living? Okay. Wow, man. I've seen another set of people. Oh, he's just a catcher. Now I understand what they mean by catching. He's the one catching them, but he needs a protection, like an ammunition. He needs one, but this guy is pursuing criminals into big bush without any gun, no ammunition. How is he going to catch them? What? Okay.
Last smoke.
Hey!
What did I tell you, girls? The great let me provide someone for the sacrifice. What did I tell you, girls?
The devil will provide someone for the sacrifice.
Who is this?
Now the sacrifice.
By the grace of God, I work with the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ukebu branch.
Okay.
Hell, is that Calabash? Right, Monday now we go neighbor.
Now, girls,
Mama, I said I work
let's
with the National
proceed
Drug
to the sacrifice.
Hey!
Where is he? Where is he?
I think this one was actually power. So how come he disappeared without?
Oh my God. Why would you carry government work on your head? That means you shoot.
I shoot.
Did you kill?
But I killed like 14 people.
Hey! So why are you here?
I came to repent.
Okay.
I want to give my life to Christ.
Even if you go to any pastor,
hey!
Judas! Oh my God. Funny Bros has come back with this his old pattern, and I think I love this pattern more than any other pattern. Honestly, if you do, let me see your comment and let's watch Agent of Laughter, the witches and wizard guy. Always been tempted, always been tormented by some group witch. Let's see how this one goes. Like, I'm actually, you know, silencing this sound because I'm avoiding copyright claim. So you just have to bear with me as you watch the video. Bear with me as you watch the video. I repeat, I need to silence the sound because I'm avoiding copyright claim. I think you understood this. All right. Is that not somebody's eye? Huh? It's what? Without no, I think the eye that guy was removed. How can you bring down your head and hold it for a picture? Oh my God, this is marvelous. Like, look at the way all of them are staring at you.
Like, Shidima, Shinaza, Shinazoku, Shinemere, Shinemeba.
Hello.
Fine girl, what's the lonely fine girl doing on this lonely road?
I'm just going home.
How about you enter and I give you a lift?
Really?
Yes.
How about we go to your house?
You want to go to my house?
Yes, in your house.
Just like that?
Yes.
Enter now.
Good.
But I wish I had face that side. Now this side you go face it.
That's how I like it.
That's how you like it, darling.
Yes.
I know why I like
You're trying to be a weak.
You said that's how I like it.
You think Brainjotter have your time? You don't even know.
Welcome to my house, sir. Welcome. So you want us to be fast, so you just lie down on the bed. Yeah.
You don't even know what to do. What are you doing? Climb bed. What the fuck? I said it. You don't know what you're dealing with. This is Brainjotter for crying out loud.
My God will punish you.
Bet on your back Champions League match if someone and get a
Oh my God.
Evil man.
Nobody sent her to turn into a human being like us.
If I serve a living God, you will be punished.
Please bet on your Champions League match
and get
it don't go better for you.
Unlock club achievement and take part in the prize draw.
Give me transport.
Which one collect transport? You're not even professional. Come up out here.
You want to collect transport when you know you can vanish. You're actually not a professional. Like Brainjotter is a crazy guy. Don't even care what's the wife.
Yeah, it's a different guy. Take this package. I'll be surprised my friend and his babe.
Okay, okay.
The address is on it.
Okay. But wait, who won't pay me?
Let me go pay you. Send me your details.
I better send them.
For sure, I'm going to send out Ojuko again. Let's see how it goes. But I pray nothing happens to him this time because any small thing, I say I die. Let's see this one. Say Santa Claus. I go take by now.
Baby,
Baby, I know shit on you now.
so why did you send a compliment to Sissy? You put red hat.
Which hat have I put? Is it blue hat? That's what I do. I love everybody now.
You love everybody, so that's what you're doing when I'm away, Abi. You are cheating, you love everybody. Better go to everybody's house today. Get out of this place.
Baby, How about you? You don't shit on me last week.
Me cheat! What the hell cheat on you?
You shit on me. That boy is testing you that you have nice eyes.
Jesus.
If you don't compliment me, see you want to compliment.
It's a lie. Your eyes is big. Why would you tell you have nice eyes? If it's not that we want to pop for you.
Are you trying to say my eyes are not nice?
I don't do anything, baby, no to that, baby, no to that show. No to that show. I go sue you.
Ah! Sue America. You get look. Ladies first. If you're man, you are man. If you're woman, you say compliment of the season and put red hat. It's not cheating.
What if you're woman? I've already first cheat on you 1 week earlier.
I don't cheat on you now. If you compliment me, that's how you do.
How is he going to know?
Who is at fault?
Who's wrong here? When you talk true.
Use your sense, so this kind of question should use your sense.
This man give me the gift.
Is that what we're asking you? We see that this job, she shoot on me. I don't cheat on her. Who is at fault? You are asking her, say, Ogu kill you and your gift there. Who is at fault?
God help me, not die again. God help me. The both of you is right.
What do you mean the both of us are right?
How is she right?
He's the one that's wrong. I
Yes.
can put red hat.
Yes.
They won't compliment me. Did I reply him? No.
But this is crazy. Is it my fault?
It's off! That's how I die, you.
They have finally succeeded in killing a Santa Claus that they give them gifts. Voila.
What's my name again?
I
said this is December now. That's December.
Sorry, I joke.
We don't have to from January to December. Thank God say we die alive. So we the chop life. But that money no they will chop on our own average. Chop na chop. Go bring more drink, more nkwobi, more chickens to my table. Me and my guys will get the chop life. That is one thing for sure. From January to December, now we done the hustle now. Make we flex this now Jesus' birthday. We go run am for him. We go celebrate him for him. You know they're easy for him to keep us our life. Me and my family. With that life, this is December. I say we will not chop like we go do it. Now 30 December. Celebration don't start. As you drink, cover your drink. As you do the 30 December. That's so easy. Maka blood, the Elizabeth blood. I go near the Ago. What's my name again?
Let me small.
Jesus! Papi! Wait. Now your plan with this. You send me a past night from my house. Tomorrow you continue your journey. You want to buy my hair come out?
Shaman, no verse.
Papi, come on from my house.
No verse, I beg. You know, everything they cause all these things now when person carry empty belly sleep. If you see the kind of dream what they dream just now, all of them they hear me. You be like say something good is coming very close. If you see the kind of dream what they dream, now chicken at the chop, they come even if you there for the dream.
Hey! Come on from my house. Go. Fast. Go.
Oniramo ya tutu komkom. Oniramo ya tutu komkom. Ajamono ya tutu komkom.
Ya tutu komkom. Ya tutu komkom. Ya tutu. I think they are rally or they're going for crusade.
Oniramo ya tutu komkom. Ajamono ya tutu komkom. Oniramo ya tutu komkom.
Ya tutu
Oniramo ya tutu komkom.
Ya tutu
Pastor, now my picking me this. Hey, Pastor. Now last week, he get accident. Since that time, he don't forget everything. He don't remember anything. Even me with mama, he don't remember me. See now? Osaka, he don't remember his mama again.
NDUKA, make you no pass 2 weeks, so. You see this 10 million I borrow you. Now from my papa land what I say. Make you no pass 2 weeks, so.
No problem, 2 weeks. Thank you.
Yeah!
What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around. What the enemy...
Hey, Pastor, I beg. This wicked memory loss now cost to this family.
Okay. Madam, that will be cost on a family. Now another man miracle. Hey! What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around.
This is the worst people I've ever seen. How can you be so wicked? To understand you don't want to win them and you say you're a pastor. That's
who is that?
Ajay or Santa. Who please?
Wow.
Oh, Santa!
Merry Christmas, Violetta.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Your sister said I should give you this beautiful gift.
My sister?
She's the love of my life. At least this Christmas, I see person will give me gifts. Thank you, thank you.
Continue.
Sorry, Valeta. 1 minute.
No problem.
It's like you are single.
Why did you ask that?
Let's have it. You said now, this person give you gift today, and again, fine girl like you not supposed to stay house this period.
Oh God.
What will I do now? You're single, I don't keep person.
That's why I'm here. Haji.
How?
Today is Christmas. Santa is here to make your Christmas supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What you wow. I don't have food at home. I would have given you something, but thank you very much.
Valeta, forget about food.
Are you sure?
Santa is here for single people.
What am I trying to say?
So far you're single. I'm single too.
Okay.
Let's make today a beautiful day.
Santa, I don't think what I need you can do it though. I don't think you're capable. You know you're Santa.
Are you playing? I'm not capable. Madam, let's go inside. At that time, you understand what they call Santa Claus. God have mercy
You're
upon us.
very funny, you're a clown. Let's go.
You are thinking rubbish. You're thinking rubbish.
What be this? Babe, what's going on? Where have you been? Like, you know I've been looking for you here.
Oh, my baby.
This is playing.
He
said, I want to
going
just
on
open the door and run back.
Santa said he's here to make our Christmas perfect.
Are you mad?
And he will do anything for us.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice.
Hey, stop
You're
that.
welcome. You don't really have anything, but Junior, give Santa plate to watch for us. That's what you can do for us now.
That's what I do for you. Ah, God.
Take it inside and wash it with all those ones inside.
Is there anything we need Santa to do for us?
Yes.
Okay.
Santa, I have some dirty clothes. You wash them for me too.
Sorry, Santa never chop.
And your belly big like this.
I did not my belly with this.
Let's give him this one. Let him eat to have strength.
Babe, our dog never chop.
That's correct.
Let him walk first. You go chop later.
I know that's not Chama. Now Santa, I don't be Satan. No. I feel like made for you. May your dog chop, me I not chop.
Santa, it's a season of love now. Why are you angry?
Violeta, I'm here to spread violence. Haji.
I'm a babu. I stay in the zoo.
Come on,
I play this game for me,
Chelsea. I swear.
Chelsea to win Man U over 7.5. Plan if you get money.
I think this madman they talk.
No, forget madman matter.
In game they enter accurately. You mean am?
You get one guy where they live for our street here, where he give game. As we just sit down, stand there, they play game. We use 10 naira, win 50 million.
10 naira to win 50 million?
Yeah. Okay, you know now about that. Okay, please say you knew for here, Sha.
Nah lie. I dey come. Ma say some things, ma play the game.
No wala, I dey wait for you.
How you go look this car? One sell am 1.5 million. Oga, leave that one. I know wetin I wan use money do. Transfer the 1.5 million, make I come out here. But this car, they amount. Oga, you dey buy or you no dey buy?
Okay, no wahala. Call your account, make I send you money.
066.
Okay.
07. 99.
Okay.
417. Globus.
Globus. Okay.
You don't do am.
I don't send them. Check them.
Just selling car for that kind of cheap amount.
No, say wetin I want you this money do. If you mistakenly enter 752 billion.
Hey, this fine car 1.5 million. Sure say this boy know wetin he dey do.
You know, just go and buy it and write.
Now, where don't know?
In case it comes.
I bet no vex. That madman wey dey give code, I don see am this week.
No, we never see him for long ago.
No wahala now. So nobody fit catch this madman for me.
Now wow.
My guy has gone broke. Absolutely broke. If he catch that madman, the madman is gone. Very gone. So gone. But they told him that he has been predicting short game for people now. And people are becoming millionaires because of his short game. And now he got to your turn, no level. He go well by force, yo. Let's dive into the next comedy. This one has made us laugh, I think so.
Now and check prices you can win.
Ademola, since where I come back from abroad, Nigerian girls will just be whine me. Nobody want to sleep with IGGB again.
I'm telling you,
So you won't tell me now say as you come now, I never knock. Ha! Nigerian girls, they use tactics. Okay. But me, I go show them, say I don't practice.
Stop. This is what you people always do. IDDB. You come back, make love to us and run away.
I swear to Almighty God. Now marry when me I won't marry you, carry you go Cambodia.
Yeah. Then do the right thing now.
Come on now.
Stop. I said you should stop. Do the right thing.
For Peckham, I get girlfriend where they beg me to Peckham.
Shut up!
Asa, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes. So now you can have all of me.
Guy man, now this format where I don't take knack for girls. Educate. You bad. Too bad you want it. You get one Yoruba girl where be say I want knack. But the girl they claim difficult. But I go change format. I go pay her bride price. Who you marry her? Ademola, look man, be very careful. I get wife where they Cambodia with Peking. All this thing where they can't do here on a cruise, January I don't go back. You understand now? Now I'm for you. Now on Tuesday I won't go pay the bride price. You go come make we go. I will follow you.
Oh yeah, come make we go. Make we go to all the places where we don't have to like to go before.
You really serious about getting married to me?
That's an hour for you. But I use my mouth to tell you, say me I no come for your body now.
Say she no come for the money, oh.
Now I wish my father was alive.
Aww. This one way, father don't die. Everything will be sharp.
It's a pity for you.
Sharp. This one way your daddy don't die. Who do we now pay bride price to?
Oh, my mom. Mommy.
Jesus. December no lumego. December no. My brother. December.
Look. My Peking say you like her. Ha. I don't like her. I love her well.
I'm beginning to fall in love.
You're in a big soup.
I'm
Boy.
Sabinus should have this part.
Excuse. Every time, 3 years, you leave your son, you leave me in Nigeria. 3 years. What?
Just calm down, The woman is very old. Once the woman die, I am coming back.
You know what? She's not dying any moment from now. Oh. This is a wrong plan. Well, how do I pick to you? Nasboi?
Papa, you're at home? No, I was just about going to see my friend.
Papa, I hope you're not going to that estate end of year party.
No.
Thank God. I was going to tell you that you should not even go at all. Those people, they are very disrespectful. Can you imagine what they did? They were looking for somebody to do Father Christmas for end of year party. And everybody was saying that they will nominate you because you are the only person that has pot belly. What? Can you imagine the disrespect? And I told them, God forbid, my father can never play that role. And they now said they will offer you 1 million naira. Can you imagine? Come on, 1 million naira for my own father again. I say, we're too big for that. Nonsense.
Just go and wash the plate. There's dirty plates in the house.
Okay, Baba.
Jesus!
We are too big for one. We are not too big. They shut up your mouth. Who told you are too big? 1 million for this time.
I just follow the girl come house today without already knock. She go bring drink. Okay, I'll call you back, Yeah.
Okay, so wait.
We listen, we don't judge. So,
Babe, my turn.
Okay.
Okay, so I've been wanting to tell you, I have 3 body counts.
3 body counts? That's cool.
You're not judging me.
Why will I judge you? 3 body counts, you're like an angel in my eye.
Oh my God! Baby, the first time I met you, I knew we were going to be together. I'm so happy. What's that?
That's the spirit of...
Hey! Baby, are you okay?
I'm seeing things. Maybe it's because I'm dehydrated.
Considering the fact that you don't really have body count, I don't know if you're going to be judging me later.
And who says I don't have body count?
Oh my God, you do?
Of course, yes, I have body count.
How many?
Child of God, devil no come today, so please listen to me. Women no get problem with body count. This woman look like best we go like you, so please tell her the truth.
Hello?
Hello, Angel. The traffic there, you know, say na Christmas everywhere choke.
Traffic?
I dey hear wetin that guy dey talk there. You know, say normally, in body count, we don't pass 20,000. But tell us, say me, 30 again, 100. We believe her.
Actually, it's just 15.
15!
Yeah. My God.
You my mate. And I was thinking I'm a bad person. I love you so much. Unlike that, my stupid, useless ex-boyfriend. That boy is too judgmental. Baby, can you imagine? After sleeping with me, he felt he was gonna leave me. Nobody dares to leave me. Nobody leaves me. Hey! Anyways, I meowed him. We listen. We don't judge.
What do you mean, meow?
When I realized that he wanted to leave me, as a smart, sharp girl that I am, I invited him over. I put some sleeping pills in his drink, and when he slept off, I chopped his body parts and I put it inside a nylon. I ordered the ride, and when the ride came, I begged him to go offline because I don't want my traces, like my information, to be out there. So I left Lagos all the way to Ibadan. I went and looked for a lonely forest. I dug the grave and I buried him.
Why they look me?
Why do you can't come see me?
I observe the notice the evil they near me. Why they look me?
Not be the same mission we dey go. So mind your business.
Hello, Angel.
They get a higher killer.
Who I am?
With that is useless die when they carry for head. We listen, we don't judge.
Jesus!
I don't carry me.
I know they hear you. Network not there.
My body counts are knocking.
Oh, wait. So you did not get for head? Oh my God! So you like headshots? That was exactly what I did to my second body count. He was dating me and secretly was planning a wedding. And when I find out, I went to that wedding night where he was sleeping with his wife. I hit him on the head and also the wife. But somehow the guy managed to survive it. But the wife died.
Mommy, my body they say.
Calm down. Wait, the person you're seeing is an elderly woman, Abby?
Yes.
She's tying wrapper. Yes. It's a long red gown. Yes. That's the mother to my first body count. Can you imagine that she came looking for the boy and I told her that the boy was not here, but she managed to see the boy's shoe and I had no other option but I meowed her. Baby, their spirit just the roam around the house, okay? Let me play my ex-boyfriend's music for you. He did not release it before he died. So unfortunate. I'm coming back to relax.
This girl, she's terrible. She's more than any other people.
Hello?
She's more than
this girl. She just tell me now she don't kill 3 people.
She doesn't even mind.
You gonna kill me today?
If my mama say make I not be too man, I go come out your thing. I'm not come on make I just talk. Hello, Angel.
Where you there now? See, if they kill and finish, now me be nice. Please, mama. Please, I'm still a baby.
Baby, calm down. As long as I'm here, she's not gonna bully you anymore, okay?
The girl's strong,
Baby, pick your call.
No need.
Pick your call right now. Are you cheating on me?
Okay.
I'll put it on speaker.
Okay. Hello?
Baby, you want to leave me?
My whole life is built for you. I live for you.
Body count!
My destiny is for you.
Deal with him!
It never reached like that. Hey, Karama.
She has power.
Hey, Karama!
Those spirits of those people we buy.
What have I done?
People. The guy is even stronger than those girls. I swear. Let's see the version of this one.
Oh no!
Emeka. Hey, this your hand never heal.
For town now you go heal.
I was actually going to your house. Banana.
Hey, bag of rice.
I said, let me use this one and tell you Happy Christmas.
You don't mean it.
You can have it. Hey, Happy Christmas.
Same to you, my brother.
Don't mention.
Bag of rice. Hey.
Where is this woman in it? Where is the food in it? And she can't do that.
I thought you said we no get rice for this house.
See, Nani, you need to help me and thank that boy Emeka. You know, say Emeka see me for road today. Carry one bag of rice, give me. Say, make we use do Christmas. That boy is a very good boy.
Wait. Now that particular rice where Emeka give you, let me be this.
Onion.
Emeka, if you eat this rice, 2 days you are dead.
This is very bad.
You too, you don't come from this rice?
I don't chop my own now.
Oh no! Season compliment too. You get why?
Very bad. I think this is the best. Like, this is how to pay. Like, do back to send that to somebody.
You know, if I want to talk, I feel. You know, I feel too. I tried last week. I agreed to bros. No be. You will not teach me how. I agree to you, bro. Should they go? Yeah. Ha! Why you, OG? Why you? I'm not going to win me now. Ha! Oh, man, out.
Woo! Hello.
Now, voice me.
Sorry, who invited me?
This boy call you.
I don't call her. No, you call her. I don't call her.
Squad is shy.
Squad is shy.
Squad is shy. You
Squad breathe.
brave enough.
Breathe.
How are you doing?
I do.
Do you know what?
Touch me.
Touch me.
You're actually kind of cute, though.
They tell you like you tell me yesterday. Squad a blush.
Squad no blush.
No blush. Squad a blush. I no blush. I just man enough. I'm man enough. I'm saying.
Okay, so I'll actually be going somewhere with my ride. Do you want to come along?
Enjoyment.
Yes.
A plaster.
Alright, come along. Let's go.
Split.
Okay.
B-O-Y.
What is BOI?
I'm not B's on you now.
That's no problem. Let's go.
I know you like me. I deal with you. Squad wants you. Squad deal me for waiting.
We match you.
I just got you.
Papa, good afternoon. I don't come back. Food day house. Come back here.
Hey, okay, where you park am? Everything we concern you for this time, I mean they control am. Why you come the fear? Come go park your car. Come they use ordinary left for village.
I wonder.
This is we buy for Christmas. Go bring am. My son, show yourself.
Uncle, nothing to show. Hey, this your son. They squat with who they squat with person for Lagos. They hear me so? What do you wish other people? Then they happen to your pikin so.
You never make am.
That's true now. Uncle, yes? The only thing where this your boy fit make na gari. Now waiting they chop my house where.
Nah lie.
Give am food or see and breeze walk carry am.
Papa, what you dey talk? What are you saying? Chairman, I know if you do that work for that man. I know if you do am. This one our season. Pay us better money. See, we won't even cancel this thing because money no dey on ground. These children they disturb me say they want for the Christmas. Now wetin make I say make your hustle call you. Person self be why even do this job. Now you say in hand they feed up. Nothing make you no fit come. Close I do this thing now. Baba, without telling you if you do, no dey stingy. Release money. 4-5, I no try. No, 4-5 no good. I beg. I no fit down for that.
Bros, no verse.
Hey,
I don't come. Where the children? They don't gather.
What shall be where the children? No be talk say no go fit meet up.
No, you know I've been telling you I won't go dance for burial. But I can't think and say no. You better start celebrate the living. Let the dead bury the dead. So my dance for children.
What is this? But no worry, give me the amount. I go down. You go down. You don't do better now. Leave the man do this one.
Which I can't be. Not be turn and say no. Collect the money, bros. Now me first call. Respect who first call.
I first call. But him now don't come. Baba, leave this guy. I don't face you rich here. Okay, no do that. I beg. How many work? One work.
Baba, me I be Santa Claus. This one for Christmas. Now me they give Peking gift. Him the reason make Peking fear.
Santa Claus are for abroad. For Christmas are for Nigeria. Go abroad, go do your work.
Okay, I'm going to go inside.
Okay, you go try to find out. Okay, where you go get problem? You go get problem for you. I go. Hello, Spider-Man. I go put you. Santa Claus. I go put you. I beg they come. I get D for you. Hey.
Compliment on the season.
Too easy.
Both of them are serious. Let's call for Spider-Man to come. Children will even appreciate that Spider-Man.
Our wife.
Our wife. What you do for you?
What
What you do for you?
Your wife the best. She know the best. I know her. She know the best.
Hey, let go your house. Let go your house. I tell you to go your house, Opioko. I don't for there. They go your house now. I don't catch you for there. They go your house now.
Wait, I will pull out.
You think I play happy? They go your house, Lele. I go your house, okay? Nonsense man, same be rubbish. Yeah, man. Every time I want to shop food, you will eat your head one day.
Yeah, you bad. I think for you. Christmas season.
Don't want that man, no. One arm. I don't know if you see where they write free restaurant for you, where you want to shop free food every day. One arm, I don't want to see for this company again. The next time I want to see left for this company again, see one shop free food. I will use cutlass or hammer. What you up? I will cut it into pieces that you not even expect it from me. I don't even know how you even used to know that food is ready. Every time, once I just carry pot, you will see him. We just want to reach this place. No, I don't want to see him again. Never reach like that. You know you're short. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Never reach like that. One arm. I'm not talking my own fish. Believe me.
There are a lot of people that like this.
Stop coming, Kim.
You just be
which can see finish with this? Which can see finish with this?
Whenever you are just done taking, just sit there. Boom.
I want to take chop today now.
There's no way you can say long. Some, as you start eating like this, you sit them. Pop. Where are you going to run? Let's watch official Roland Carlo cocaine on this.
Madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I beg you, they go shop.
Waiting.
My transfer no dey work. I beg you. If you help me with water, tomorrow I will give you money. One pack.
One pack.
She's selling stuff.
But I don't come back early today. Yeah. Sabi go bring them back for you later.
I beg, thank you.
Don't say anything for your mouth is not. This girl that doesn't have character, you allow her to come and give you, okay? She's not with anything.
You know the water was you bring for your mama's shop. Hey, which kind stupid girl be this? Aujourd'hui aussi c'est un autre jour. Sabi? What do you mean? What do they do?
What's that?
Jesus.
Is that which kind of stupid girl be this? You have not seen
Uncle Take. Serve yourself some respect. Even though you drink, they're not going to say I fresh am. Water na water.
Why are you shouting on the phone now? Say, they have told you severally. Stop pricing those market women. You are married to a lawyer for crying out loud.
I'm hungry,
you know what? Tell the woman you will pay, and you will pay double of
hungry elderly man.
Suffering. Take care. Love you too.
Which kind of lawyer be this one?
I apologize, sir. I just had to attend to some marital issues. In detail again, I want to understand the intricacies of your case exactly.
I win fair and square for short daily, 100,000 naira. Now I find it difficult to withdraw my money.
That's very strange. And you're sure you won fair and square?
Yes, now.
Okay, where did you play this game exactly?
I played it online on their site.
Okay, can I see the website, please?
See, I had every evidence here.
I bet I'm seeing on the website that they said that to sign up, you should register with the name connected to your bank account for easy withdrawal. So what name did you use?
I used my stage name.
Which is?
Crazy Wizard 42.
How many wizards are there that you are number 42? If I may ask, what's the original name that your parents christened you and took to the pastor and congregation?
Fortunate.
Fortunate. That's okay. Sadly, we're in an unfortunate situation. Because while I was researching your case this morning, I went to the Short Daily website, for academic purpose, and I put a little bit of a 200 naira there. Unfortunately for me, I was credited 100,000 naira just this evening.
The law. So this is what you have been doing. See, the law. Are we suing them or not? Leave this one you are saying.
You didn't hear what I said? I said that I just won 100,000 naira. That I stand a chance to be winning every day. So far I'm participating in the lottery. How much is it that you even pay me in the first place? Call your account number for me.
The law. So this is how you want to do, Abi?
I should go and sue them. Can you see your Epa? I should go and see
No, never.
Do you watch football?
Yes.
Okay. What is this I'm doing? I've shown you how to sue. Go and sue them yourself.
See, the law. See, this is not. I will report it to NDA.
People that have my life, you are saying I should go and sue them.
There's no way, it's not possible. How can you advise me to go and arrest my Epa? What kind of a man is this? Because I'm fighting for your case. I have won money from there. I'm not sending anybody. Merry Christmas. Let's see this one. This one will be so interesting. I think so, but it's filled with background music. And you know, this background music sometimes can be copyrighted. Can be copyrighted, you know, stuff, and we really don't need it right now on this channel. So I'm avoiding it. That's why I have to.
I'm playing with Tony now.
Okay. Sound. So if we decide to let it play, there's no way we'll not get copyrighted, you know. So you should just bear with me. After all, coming to the end of the comedy compilation video. Foul that you bought, bad guys, and they will take it from me.
Kasongo, yeah.
Voila.
Oh yeah. Songo, bona wewe. Bona wewe. Bali naga. Angalia mama yake kama naye.
Aha. Very hilarious, like crazily and madly hilarious. We've come to the end of this comedy compilation video. I really want to say a very big thank you to you guys for participating to this extent. You know, I want to say thank you so much. And please, if you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon. This one is very hilarious, and you know that. And I won't going to waste any of your time. I am not going to waste any of your time because this is Christmas season and we're heading to New Year, a brand new year 2025. So make sure you change your attitude. I'm talking about those that don't like to comment, that don't like to like videos, and that don't like to share my content. Have a new change. I mean, take a new turn. Take a new turn. Like this coming year, you must learn how to subscribe and like. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So right, I really want to appreciate you for all these months and years that you have been assisting me by watching, supporting me, to share my content, to comment, you know, so many things. And as for those of you who actually, you know, gifted us some super thanks offer, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. And where the money is coming from will never dry. It will never dry. Thank you. And as for those of you who are yet to, you know, click the super thanks button, don't forget to do that. Do that and, you know, show gratitude from your own will, any amounts, you know, just to support our channel. And also this membership will enable you to have special access from us. You know, just click on these buttons and you see direction how to go about it. And I want to say thank you. Going to call it a day. Have a wonderful time and expect more banger from us. All right, goodbye.